Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing this month's BoxyLuxe box, June 2019 BoxyLuxe box. This is pretty, like, it has a good weight on it. It's pretty heavy, so I'm very excited to see what's in here. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I all barefaced today? It is because we're going to be doing a trial. No, not a trial. We're going to be doing a try-on style type of unboxing today. I want to see what kind of goodies are in here that I can use on my face right now. Yes? Fun? Yes, I think so. So if you enjoy these kind of videos or weekly makeup videos, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. So anyways, let's get on with the video. Now our little info sheet says that this month's theme is called Getaway. Summer is here, everyone's getting ready to go on vacations, so very apropos. And then in the back here we have all the little info on the products, names, prices, all that jazz. Now the first thing that I have here is from Pyt, P-Y-T. This is their mini turbo on the go dryer. Let's see what color we got. What color did we get? We got pink! Yay, we got the coral pinky one. Ooh, super, super cool. Yeah, I'm so excited. I mean, I would have been okay with the purple one too, but I'm very happy that it's the pink one. Here we have, it's a good size extension cord. Now it also comes with a diffuser for my curly haired gals. And it also comes with the regular attachment, and I don't know what this is called, but I'm just gonna call it a regular attachment. Ooh. This is super cute to throw in a gym bag in your weekend, you never know where you're gonna be going, and you don't know if you're gonna get a blow dryer handy. Super cute color. I am digging the color so much. So here on the front end, this says PYT right there. Super cute. Super, super, super cute. And it's so small. I wonder how powerful it is. Now the retail price for the mini turbo on the go blow dryer, this thing is $85. Holy crap. What? Super cute though. Very, very glad I got it, and in the pink color. Very excited. So now the next thing I have here is from Living Proof. It's the Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture Styling and Finishing Spray. Awesome. You know what? I'm gonna throw a little bit on that because given that this is a try-on style, we're gonna go ahead and throw some in here. Ooh, okay, good. I made my hair raise a little more. That's good because it was like not. It smells good. It doesn't smell all like, you know how some hairsprays smell like, I don't know, they just have like a weird funky smell to them, but this doesn't smell like that. It smells good. So now the Living Proof Styling and Finishing Spray retails for $29. $29. So what are we doing? Pulling out my calculators. And my calculator says that so far we have a total of $114. This box is $48.99. And so far we have $114. I tell you, I will tell you, it's insane. These are the little papers for the blow dryer. And the next thing we have here is from Dr. Brandt. Big fan of Dr. Brandt products. Such a fan. We have the pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. It's called Clean Biotic Balancing Complex. I'm digging the little color on the cap. It's like mint. It's like a mint green. I wonder if this smells minty. Let's see. I don't know if it's just me or it doesn't smell like anything. I don't know. But I couldn't really make a smell. Like it just, I mean, it doesn't smell bad. At least that's a good thing. But it doesn't smell like anything. I don't know. But it didn't really smell like anything. So the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll retails for $35. We're at $149. $149, and I'm only 3 products in. Bro, it's insane. Ooh, okay, here we have the Skin & Co. Aqua Illuminante Viso. And that was me reading the toughest part, which is just... I don't know why I chose the foreign one to read. Anyway, so from Skin & Co. we have the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Radiant Dew. a setting spray or is this just a hydrating spray? Oh, here it is. Skin speech balance, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Shake well before each usage to activate the botanical extracts. So let's see what this retails for. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist retails for $35, which brings our total to $184. So from Trestique, we have the Good Vibes Mascara. And the packaging looks a little complicated, I gotta tell you. I gotta see how the hell I'm gonna get this off because my nails unfortunately suck and I can't... Oh, you know what this is? It's an eyelash curler. Yo, talk about perfect for vacation. What? How do I open this? Someone tell me now. Okay, so here we have the Good Vibes Mascara. I'm pulling out the wand. And we have a nice curved wand. Cool, cool, cool. I wonder what the formula is like, but the wand is curved. I'm trying to see, how do I... Oh, look at this. Flip down to curl. So this is the curler. And you push down. It says push down to curl. See? So this will go against your lashes. I'm curious to see because this looks kind of small. You know how usually usually eyelash curlers are a little wider. So I'm curious to see. Let me just you probably have to do these like break it down into 3 parts. I feel like it's a little small, but I guess if you're looking at it kind of like a all-in-one, real quick on the go, then I mean I guess you can't really like, I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say though? Okay, so not the best curler. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I don't know, but the curler, let's see what the formula is like on that one. So with the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara, this one retails for $25. Let's put that in our little mathematician here. $209 so far. $209. Now we have here the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch in Soul. I got their other prime, the No Problem primer, in another box, and I'm like obsessed with it. Obsessed. I use it all the freaking time. It's my new go-to primer. I love that thing. So this sounds a little more liquidy. The No Problem, cute little pink top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try this baby right now. I should have done it like those Instagram videos and just put it on my face. Okay, feels very, very good. Has a very flowery smell, like a, I don't know, it's like a, you know what I mean? Like one of those botanical kind of smells, if that makes any sense. You know, very flowery. The No Problem Prime Essence retails for $23. $23, Mr. Calculator. $232. I'm telling you, this shit is crazy. Now that I have go ahead and primed, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup because from what I can see inside the box, I only have certain things to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and BRB. Alrighty, and we are back. Now, I did my line, I did my foundation, my concealers, you know, the basics. So let's move on. Now I wanted to try the mascara curler thing because, you know, I'm still curious. But I feel like it's not the most, what's the word I'm looking for? Functional, I guess. I don't know. Let me just try it one more time. You know, because again, it's small. It's small. I just can't. I can't do it. You know, I just can't with the mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes with my regular. Alright, so I went ahead and curl my lashes. Let's see how this mascara works for me. I like how well they get separated. My lashes, it separates the lashes very well. I will give it that. Yeah, I gotta tell you, it separates the lashes very well. But I can already see them falling down. I think the wand is very good because it did separate them very well, so I'll give it that much. It's just me and my lashes they just suck. Moving along, we have here the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And we have a gold top frosted glass Honeymoon Glow Night Hydrating Night Serum. We have a little pump here. So now it is, I thought it was going to be more, I thought it was going to be like a clearish, but no, it's, oh, okay, yeah, no, it's very, doesn't smell like anything either. But no, it doesn't smell like anything. Feels nice. Feels very nice on the skin, I'll tell you that much. Ooh. And this retails for $58. Holy moly, $58. What do we got here? $290. So now, this is what I've been waiting for because I knew this was coming, so I was like waiting for it. So we have here the Tarte Pro Glow number 3 cheek palette. And we have a nice matte black packaging. And with gold letters, Tarte Pro Glow. And inside we have 2 mirrors on each side. Little plastic protector thing. But we have 2 nice mirrors here. You can see, ooh, very cool. And here we have it looks like we have 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and a contour and a bronzer. So this one up here is called Dance Floor. Very nice pink blush color. This one here is called Premiere. This is them side by side. This highlighter here is called A-Lister. Very cute golden color. Let's see what the color payoff here is. Ooh, very nice. This one here is called Headliner. Ooh, very nice. The highlighters are very nice. Ooh, one has more of a gold tone and the other one is more pearl, I think. And for the cheek colors, this one is called Backstage. Nice bronzer, kind of even looks just like my skin. And this one has more of a gold sheen on it. This one is called Autograph, and it has a gold in it. I don't know if you can see the reflection, but there is like a gold reflective on there. I'm gonna use the Backstage bronzer color, which is this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna tap that off. Okay, it goes on very nice. I will tell you this, they're not like buttery soft, but they're not like too chalky either. Why do I talk like this for the rest of the video? It went on really nice. Very nice. That one went on very nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color Dance Floor for my cheeks. Oops, I OD. Okay, so tons of fallout. Look good. I think they look good. I hope you can see them on camera because I don't know, but I hope you can see them. So for the highlighter, I'm going to grab A-Lister, which has more of a golden undertone, which works better with my skin tone. So here we have A-Lister. And this brush sucks. This bad boy never fails me. So we're going to go back in with A-Lister. And let's see. Maybe you can see it on there, but I need to put it on like 2 or 3 times for it to, I mean, I'm kind of exaggerated with highlighter, so could it be me? Like, I want it to be like blinding. Like, I want you to be like, what the? Like, one coat isn't bad, like, not one coat, but one layer is not bad if you're going for like subtle. But I'm extra as fuck. You guys can see it better? Yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep. Middle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, like, see, that's how I want my highlighter to be like. Bam! Good? Good. Yay. Perfect. Yes. So that is the Tarte Pro Glow number 3 cheek palette. And sorry for all the stains, but that was from the swatches. Okay. So, this bad boy here retails for $45. $45. And we're not even done yet. According to my calculators, $335 so far. $335. Now, the last but not least, because I love the products. So the last item that we have here is from Dominique Cosmetics. And this is the Lemonade Lip Gloss. Let's see what shade we got. We got Strawberry Lemonade. Sounds yummy. Makes me want an actual lemon. Okay, so it's not a round packaging like it normally is. This is more square, straight, rectangular, whatever you want to call it. But we have a nice pink top with a clear plastic so we can see what the color is. Let me go ahead and swatch. And this is the shade Strawberry Lemonade. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. Okay, very nice. Cute pink sheer lip gloss. Ooh, very nice. Now, let me see if it's sticky or not. Okay, a little sticky. Not bad though. Not like horrible. I feel like my hair is gonna get stuck in its skin. It's sticky. So let me go ahead and put some lip liner on because that's not gonna go on nicely just sheer because my lips have like zero color. I have lots of problems. My lips are one of them. Oh, it smells cool. It has a very nice smell. It's like sweet, but it has like a hint of citrus. It's good. It's nice, and it feels really good on the lips. Like it doesn't feel sticky. It's good. It feels very good. And the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss retails for $17, which brings our grand total of this month's box to $352. For a box that only costs $48.99. Come on. $352 worth of stuff. And now to finish everything off, we're going to go ahead and set our makeup with the Skin & Co. Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Let's see how this is. I don't like the way it smells. It has a, not like a disgusting smell, but like a smell that I don't like. I don't know. That was kind of weird. I don't know how to really explain that one, but not a fan of the smell. I'll tell you that much. So these are the top 3 items for this month's box. Is the Tarte Pro Glow No. 3 Cheek Palette. I like a palette that has basically everything that you need for your cheeks. Because it just makes it easier when you are on the go or traveling. And then I also like the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. It feels really good on the lips. I don't like lip glosses that much because some of them are kind of sticky, but this actually feels really nice on the skin. I mean, on the lips. And the No Pore Prime Essence from Touch & Soul. Like, it felt really nice on my skin, so very big fan. It felt really nice. And also, if you want to get your own BoxyCharm box, I'll leave my referral link down below, and you can go ahead and join the Boxy family. I'm telling you, it's insane. You pay this much for this much of things. It's bananas. It's bananas in pajamas to me. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly beauty fun. Also follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys.